Direct replacement. This battery tray matches the fit and function of the original equipment part. Durable construction. This battery tray is made from quality materials to prevent damage caused by an unsecured battery. Cost-effective solution. Offers original equipment quality at lower cost than dealer replacement. Quality tested. This part has undergone vehicle fitment and dimensional testing. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. Excellent quality. I just wish it came with a battery hold down. My 2005 Tahoe came with a loose battery, no hold down at all, and a rusted out tray. I had to buy the tray and a new hold down separately. They work well and hold the battery down securely now. I just wish the two pieces came as a set, as pictured.